What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm really excited. Today I got Spider-Man PS4. I'm really excited, and I'm gonna be doing my first unboxing with this game. So I have to switch my PS4 right here because my cousin's here. But let's have an unboxing, shall we? So I already opened here a little bit. I'm just going to this tape. It's just gonna be a short video, usually do. But it's just because it's an unboxing. Here's the game in itself. Now, ooh, okay. There's the game disc. There's the game disc. Super beautiful. We got a code or something. Use this code to check. I think this is a computer code. I'm not gonna know how to do this. So if you guys want this code, here it is. The back this woman in the event suit. Well, guys, that is the game. So guys, peace. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.